Power-ups. Are we in a video game? Nope. Today I'll be introducing you to the wonderful world of Trello Power-ups. I'll be sharing a few of my favorites. In case this is your first time joining me, I'm Mariah and my business is Bloom Hustle Grow. I've been utilizing Trello for over 4 years to keep my business organized, as well as helping other entrepreneurs utilize Trello to run their businesses. Make sure to subscribe to get weekly tips on Trello. Now let's get started with Power-ups. So you can open any board in Trello and go up to Show Menu. And you'll see the power-ups are right down here. So if you click right here, you can search all the power-ups that Trello offers. So there are a ton. You can kind of scroll through here. So these are just the featured ones. All the other ones are organized by category. You can also search. So if you're looking for a particular tool to see if it integrates with Trello through a power-up, you can search it right there. I do recommend that you set up your board and you use it for a little bit before you try to add in a ton of power-ups or automations, and just see like what you actually need for the particular project or board that you're working with. Use the board a little bit and then decide what's going to help you with your workflow and make things easier. I have a power-up added right here, and it's custom fields. One note I want to make is that you do need business class for Trello if you want to use more than one power-up. So right here is the Trello pricing at this point in time, and you'll see it has a limit of one power-up per board. If you are using multiple power-ups on a board, you do need to upgrade to business class. So I do have custom field activated on this board, and that is a card feature. So you'd go over here and you would add a custom field. So you can add a new field here, and there's a lot of different options. I'm not going to go into this particular power up, but the point is like sometimes they're integrations, sometimes they're card features. There's a lot of different types of power ups that Trello offers. If we go back to Show Menu, if you want to disable a power up, you need to go back to Power Ups, and then you'll see right here Enabled, and then Settings, and then disable this power up. So if we didn't want it on the board anymore, we would just enable it right there, and that's how you do that. You can also add power-ups from cards. You'll see it right here, Add Power-Up. And it takes you to the exact same menu. So both of those are a way to navigate to the power-up menus. But again, some of these are card related and some of them are board related and some of them are integrations. I do recommend that if you're looking to integrate Trello with another program, do check power-ups first, and make sure to check power-ups before you decide to use Zapier or IFTTT, any of those like external integration services. It would be better if you utilize the internal integration that PowerUp offers, because I do find that it usually works a little smoother and there's less delay there with those integrations for external tools and Trello together. Oh, one other thing I want to mention, they now have these bonus limitless power-ups. So I'm guessing that this doesn't go against your one power-up limit. So that's kind of cool, but that's definitely like a newer feature that Trello came out with in terms of power-ups. You can do a ton with Trello power-ups, and I love how it integrates with so many other tools. That's definitely an advantage of using Trello, is that they are so friendly with working with other software and tools that you might use in your business. It makes using Trello as your central hub that much easier. Join me in the next video where I'm sharing more details about the Trello calendar power-up.